Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy from Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize the Coach Thermostat for your Midwest Daycruiser. Your Coach Thermostat is located at the ceiling in between the driver and passenger seat. To turn it on, simply hit the power mode button in the bottom right-hand corner. Once it's turned on, you'll see a temperature displayed. That's the interior temperature of the vehicle. Once it's on, you can choose in between AC or heat by simply hitting the same button one more time. You'll know you're on heat when you see the red button light up. If you would like, you can utilize the auto setting by hitting the green button in the bottom left-hand corner. When on this setting, your coach will regulate your set temperature. To choose your set temperature, simply hit the red or blue arrow buttons until your desired temperature is set. If you would like to manually control your fans, simply turn the auto setting off by hitting the green button one more time. Then to select the fan settings, simply hit the gray arrow buttons up or down until the desired fan setting is reached. Thanks for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.